Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to increase screen recording quality in your phone iQOO 5G. iQOO Z9s 5G. Okay. First of all, go to the notification area and you will see here record screen option. If you click on it, screen recording will be started. So whatever you go in your mobile screen, that will be recorded in an order. And if you would like to stop the screen recording, what you have to do, just click on this button, that is this floating button, and click on stop recording, and recording will be stopped. And this is the recorder file. Okay. Yes. This is the recorder file, and it will be playing. Now, if you would like to increase the quality of this recorder file, that is, if you would like to get a higher quality for screen recording, then what you have to do is just go to the notification area first, and then locate record screen icon, and long press on it. Okay, this time just don't press. Don't single press. Okay, just long press, and you will have the settings options here, and here click on picture quality, and it is see here it is already set to medium. So if you would like to hit high quality, click on the first one, high quality. Okay, so that you will have enabled high quality for your screen recording. Then click on start screen recording. This recording will be of high quality compared to previous one. Okay, so here I go to Facebook, and I take a screenshot. Now I stop the screen recording, and this is the recorder file. Okay. Yes, I play it without sound. I decrease the sound because my voice also have been recorded there. And see, this quality will be of somewhat high compared to the previous one. Okay, so if you would like to get higher quality, just don't use default recommended settings. Just use this one, so that your recorder file will be of high quality. And even if it is in third option, that is a low, you can set it to the first option, high, so that you can get higher quality, higher picture quality and video quality for screen recording. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.